Good morning! It is Labor Day. It is Monday. Labor Day Monday. Today we're going to be doing some cleaning things within my house, and that's kind of my plan. Now we're going to take this and this to the grocery store. Okay. So we've run into one small problem. That problem is that the breezeway is disgusting. If you watch my breezeway video, you'll see that it's disgusting. So we're gonna go to Home Depot and we're gonna get some vinyl peel and sticks. We got these vinyl flooring. This vinyl flooring to put in the breezeway. And then we got this kilt, which is supposed to be for the cabinets, but we're gonna do eventually, but it was a good price. We got it today. And then just like some painting things, but $200 right here, down the drain. Oh, I'm so tired. Today, Lucy's getting spayed. Woohoo! Yippee! So we're currently driving into the city. The big city, the Big Apples. We're driving into the city so that she can get her to her appointment, and we'll pick her up around 2:30 to 3:30. That's the plan for today. And for the meantime, Leon and I are just gonna spend some time in the city. Good morning. It is Wednesday, the 4th or the 5th, whatever. Yesterday after we got Lucy, we went straight home, and then we kind of chillaxed for a bit, so I didn't feel like that there was any point in recording. But last night, oh my fucking gosh, last night we put her in the cage, she would not stop screaming bloody fucking murder. Like, she would not stop screaming. Like, the whole entire night she was screaming. We'd let her out, we tried to do everything, having a very hard time being alone last night, which is understandable, I get it, but I got like no sleep. So today I'm running a little bit late, and I'm at work now. Unfortunately, actually, I really did not want to come into work today. I was like fighting tears. I was losing strength. This is how my hair is looking today. It's looking kind of rough, but we're just gonna deal with it because I don't give a fuck anymore. I don't care. Yo, it's been a long weekend. Literally, it's been like an actual long weekend because I had Saturday off, Sunday off, Monday off, and Tuesday off, but I was busy every single one of those days. And after work, I'm gonna go grocery shopping because we need to go grocery shopping. I'm gonna start like doing like my daily or my weekly costs and expenses living on my own, because this shit gets fucking expensive and I'm broke. See you guys after work. Peace. Forgot to switch my shoes before I left work, so now I'm wearing Crocs to work. I'm embarrassed. I was supposed to be dressed in professional dress and they literally said no Crocs, but I forgot to change. I'm finished with work. I'm free. And now I am on my way to the grocery store because I have to do grocery shopping for the week, and we'll see how that goes. And then I'm heading home. Just got back home. We spent about $150. $150 down the drain, but today was payday, so we're good. Okay guys, I'm trying this new pickle brand. I've never had it before. It's this one, and it's supposed to be spicy. It's spicy. It's delicious. Good morning. Thursday. It's my long day at work, 9 to 7. I don't know what to do with my hair. I need to cut my hair so badly. I don't know what to do with my hair. Apply some water. Ah! I don't want to. I hate wet hair. I hate the feeling of wet hair on me. Oh, why don't you just wet your hair and then dry it? Because that takes a lot of time. Yo, these knots are crazy. I need to cut my hair ASAP. Could do a slick back. It's giving Jon Snow. It's giving Jon Snow. This is my hair for today. Like, I just want to go and put my hair in a bun and call it a day. And I have this fucking growth of a pimple growing on my head right now. Every day on my way to work, I wish that I get a flat tire. So that I don't have to go in. Now, time to do my long day shift. My dream. Guys, it's literally almost pitch black outside. I just got back from work. I possibly have a sale in the making. Today was a long day, but productive. Now I'm gonna go eat dinner and go to bed and wake up at 5 a.m. to do it again tomorrow. Good morning. It is Friday. One more day until I am off for my short weekend, which is just Sunday and Monday. When I get home, I have a lot of stuff that I need to do that I just haven't done. I have to edit. I have to put together the bamboo shoe racks that I said I was gonna do, and I also have to just do things around my house, like clean and stuff like that. I don't know how people can do it, like 9 to 5, staying up late. Like, I am tired. Well, actually, I'm up 5 to 5 because I wake up at 5 a.m. I'm addicted to Cookie Run. If you guys play Cookie Run Kingdom, let me know who your favorite cookie is, because It's literally an addiction. Like, and in the morning, you know, I want to get things done, you know, I want to edit, I want to do that, but Cookie Run's right there, and then I'm on it for like 3 hours. And also, I'm addicted to one other thing. I'm addicted to calling out. I'm addicted to not showing up to work, to calling out, to being home. The last place I worked at, it didn't really matter because it was a big company, whatever. But now it's like a really small company, family owned, you know, like you have to be there. Like you can't really call out like that. And I am going crazy. Every time I wake up, I'm like, should I just say I'm sick and call out? Both of these addictions are ruining my life, and Cookie Run is taking my money. I could never delete the app. So I'm here, I made it, I'm at work. Yippee, how fun. Couldn't ask for anything else, actually. I really want to be here today. I really want to be here today, and it's gonna be a good day. Wish me luck. So I finished work for today. I did a lot of things wrong today. I don't know. Today was just a rough day. Everything I did, I felt like I was having somebody come up to me being like, hey, you need to do it this way. Which is great, but it's also not great because, yeah, thank you for teaching me, but also like, damn, I'm gonna just go home. That was my day. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna force myself to edit. I'm picking background music for my cleaning video. Right now we have Mozart as my first choice, and then I'm thinking of another one. Maybe Chopin. We could do something else. Like it. I think we're gonna do this. Okay, I get here at 9:30, okay? And I get here at 9:30 because we're supposed to be here between 9:30 and 9:45. And I want to clock in at 9:30 so I get that extra dollar, extra cents, because every penny matters, okay? Tell me why I'm here and I'm the first person here. I don't have a key, I don't have nothing. I have to wait. And the drive here was... I was stuck behind every person who wanted to go 5 miles under the speed limit. You can get pulled over for going too slow. And if I was a cop, yeah. That's how I would make my fucking money, because that shit is crazy. It's only like 6 miles from my house, but it takes me like 30 minutes because these bitches want to be slow. Today's my short day, 10 to 3. I'm very excited because then I have tomorrow and I have Monday off. So happy. I was looking back at the footage that I've taken from this week. I've only taken videos of me going into work, leaving work, going into work, leaving work, because that's what my life is. I have to pee so fucking badly. Why isn't anybody here? I just finished editing the video of me cleaning the breezeway. I shortened that shit from an hour to 7 minutes. I was working on it from 5 a.m. today to literally 9 o'clock when I left. You start getting sick of yourself after editing for so long. After work, I'm gonna go to Market Basket because I want to get cantaloupe, because they had like pre-cut cantaloupe last time and it was so good. Something about it was just but it was so good. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'm gonna build the bamboo I'm gonna build the bamboo shoe racks. I'm free for the weekend. Yippee. I have no words for today. I hate working. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the grocery store to get some cantaloupe. I'm home and I ate this whole thing of cantaloupe while I was driving. Okay, I'm gonna make the shoe rack. Hey! I'll show you guys the finished product. Ta-da! Here is it. Here's the shoe rack.
Bye!